Morning. I have something to tell you. How to know if you are wasting your money or spending it correctly. Okay. I have two friends. Both of them saved up $100. The first guy looks down at his feet and says, Eesh, these shoes I have on, I have a lot of miles on them. I need new shoes. Goes to the store, spends the maximum amount on the shoes. He doesn't even sacrifice for half of it and keeping the change. He buys a decent set of shoes. The moment he walks out the store, they're worth nothing because it's been worn. Nah? I'm not gonna buy second-hand shoes, my man. That's just off. My other friend asks if he can go to an auction with a family friend. Okay, now this gets interesting. There's a lot of people bidding on cows. And there comes past this little cow. It looks a bit as if it needs some TLC. He decides, listen, I have $100. That's the maximum I'm going to spend. He ends up paying $75 for this small cow. So he has change. He buys grass or feed, milk, and he gets a lift from the same friend that took him there to take the cow to his house. Okay. His mom was angry. Okay. So, he fed this little cow, including some of the lawn he ate. And after about 8 or 9 weeks, he told me, he took this cow back to the same auction and resold it for almost 3 times what he paid for it. So this guy made money. He can buy another cow, feed it, grow it, buy the shoes, and he has change. Ain't that a clever way of spending your money? That's a test. We are all buying stuff that depreciates in value immediately. A watch, a jacket, shoes. I'm not telling you to walk out there naked, but I'm telling you to think twice. Maybe just think, what is this thing worth to me? Can it grow in value? Or is this thing literally just gonna be a necessary need? I need these shoes. Look, if you are a runner and your shoes are finished, and that is your sport, that is how you get rid of your frustrations, that's how you feel better. Buy the shoes. I understand. If you don't have space for a cow, and it is actually illegal to keep cows in your yard, but this was like a once off, and the guy made a lot of money. That is very clever. I never heard or thought of that. So think twice. Buying something with the same amount of money, can it increase in value? Or are you going to buy it and is it going to decrease in value? Think twice, eh? Think twice. Enjoy your day.